Welcome back, everybody. As day 2 of our FixerUpper journey comes to an end, we are removing the built-in shelving and cabinets. I know some of you will kill me in the comments, but this is a very small house and we really need to open up the space. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and like this video. It'll really help our channel grow. Thanks. We did struggle a bit. Back in the day, things were made to last. So these buildings are not coming out very easily. But where there's a will, there's a way. And I am blessed to have my wife helping me. We're going to speed things up now. Fun fact about this house, it was built in the 1950s when this town was still a farming community. Many people living here either worked directly in agriculture or supported the region's booming farming economy. This city was surrounded by almond orchards, peach trees, vineyards, and dairy farmers. Because of the home's age, features like built-ins, solid oak wood floors, plaster walls were very common, and that's exactly what we found in this house. Also, because these buildings are made from solid wood, we definitely repurposed most of this back into the house. Leave a comment if you have any experience with 1950s homes in California or in any other region. I would really love to hear about your experience. Now it's time to add some temporary curtains. This will really help us out as we would like some privacy as we do our work in the house. And all we have right now is some paper and some tape. Alrighty, we are officially end of day 2. I don't know what time it is, but it's time to call it a night. So, this is on the inside. We were able to take out the shelving that they had here along this wall, clean that up. We were able to remove the fake wood that they had up against this wall, and then the paneling that was on that wall as well, and also lift up the rest of the flooring here. Sadly, the flooring, the wood flooring ends here, and then we uncovered this monstrosity. That's gonna be another thing, but we clean up the trees in the front and do some pretty good work in here as well too. So overall, a pretty great productive day, I say so. Tomorrow is another day. Stay tuned. Hey, good morning. Day 3, right? Day 3, guys, and today we have a lot going on today. So we got, you can see and you can hear, I got the guys that are coming out to pick up all the trees and limbs that I cut down the last 2 days and stick it into the wood chipper. And then after that, they're gonna go and tackle that bad boy right there in the back. You can see behind the house. They're gonna go ahead and take that one down. So I'm really excited about that. It's touching the roof, it's caused damage, and my insurance isn't having it. So I gotta let it go. So anyway, today's an exciting day. We're gonna go ahead and finish this up. We're also gonna go to Stockton and pick up a vanity that we found for the bathroom, and then keep working on the house because we gotta get those floors ready. As soon as we can get those floors ready, we can get the house painted, and we're one step closer to moving in. So wish us luck. Let's go. Alrighty, quick update. So the guys for the trees came and left. They did an awesome job, and they took this. Boom, gone. No longer obstructing, touching the roof, nothing. Gone. Did a great job. Now what we're gonna do is just kind of sweep up a little bit. We still got a lot more work to do in the house, so stay tuned. Hey, what up, guys? So we're doing a little bit of a demo break. We had to come to the Granite Expo because there's a vanity in stock that we've been wanting to get, and we don't want it to sell out. So we might as well get it now, and we got a great deal on it. Give you a sneak peek. There it is. So we took a little bit of demo break from the house. We came to Granite Expo, which is in Stockton, about 45 minutes away from where we live. But we needed to get it because that's the one that we liked, and we had a decent price on it. So now we're gonna just get it loaded up, get back to the house, maybe do some lunch, and then get back to work to get the cleanup going. All right, we'll see you later. All right, it's been a pretty eventful day today. Near the end of day 3, been very productive. Right now, we were able to remove the built-in cabinets that were installed here and here. My wife has done an awesome job of cleaning up the floor here where the staples from the carpet were left over. We're working on that so that we can get the floors ready to get sanded. We have floors, hardwood floors in the dining, living room, and both of the bedrooms here, and the hallway. So that's we've been working on right now, is trying to get this ready to get sanded. We're gonna leave that room for tomorrow, and we're gonna go ahead and do some demo work for right now. We're gonna go ahead and bring this wall down and open up the living space for a little bit, and let's see where the night takes us from there. But proud of the work we've done so far today. We'll keep you updated. Stay tuned.